days of old, the mighty sons of Hercules were men as men should be. They took the world and shook the world, the sons of Hercules. The mighty sons of Hercules once thundered through the years. These men of steel could never feel the curse of a coward's fears. The mighty sons of Hercules were men as men should be. They burned with dreams, then turned their dreams into history.
Through the centuries in olden times, there lived the sons of Hercules, heroes supreme. They roamed the earth, righting wrong, helping the weak and oppressed, and seeking adventure. They were the mightiest of mortal men. But one of them dwelt nearby Olympus, immortal, a direct offspring of the gods. This was Temenus. It is of his story that we tell, and how he ventured down to earth, and there met in earthly form the goddess Venus. Hercules, my father, here I am.
I know what troubles you, my son, but your mission has been accomplished.
If it was your will that I should return to Olympus, why did you allow me to meet that young girl? Allow me to remain upon the earth, close to Daphne, at least until she can be comforted by my love.
The love of which you speak is a mortal love. You do not know enough of this world. It is better for you to stay here, to look down upon men from the peace of Olympus.
But in that peace, I have never experienced the emotions that child has aroused in me.
How I understand you, my son. But the emotions and joys of all men are paid for with tears and in blood. Reflect.
It's too late, Father. I love her. I can't help loving her.
Then so be it. Let it be done. From this moment, you are a mortal. But I wish to help you. Pick up my thunderbolts. Don't be afraid.
Temenus, my son, to become immortal once more, you have only to break one of these, and you will remain immortal until the moment you yield to a human passion. Therefore, be careful after you have broken the third one. Return to Olympus and do not look behind you, otherwise you will remain a mortal man like the others forever.